Alright, so just wanted to do a quick review of this guy because it's still working this year. The only thing that fell off was something that goes here, and that's because it was just glued on. So this is pretty delicate. Other than that, it's not bad. We do tie it to the tree, and that's because we can't put any stakes there. But if we could, let's say we put it on the grass, I think it would still fall over. So during wintertime, it has falling over when it only had stakes, and that's why it's not the best thing. I think they should do something better ground wise. Other than that, every year what you have to do, this is our second year using it, still works. That's why I'm doing the review now. So you have to put on these zip ties. So that's something that you're gonna have to by yourself. Not the first year. The first year you're gonna get zip ties with this, but the second year to put it together, you're gonna need to buy those. Again, dollar store, no big deal. Very easy to put on. Even this, so you guys can see, just goes on like this. We do have a setup video, so if you guys want to see how you put this together, that video will show you, but everything goes in just as you see right now. So it's actually extremely easy to put everything together. Now these are two parts, okay, so that's into two parts. So when you put it in the box, it's a big box though, because it does occupy quite a bit of space, but these two do come apart. They come together here. It's not something I would put inside the house, although we did for part of the first year. Wear and tear, I would say maybe the nose. There's some wear and tear there. You guys can see some exposed wire there. So that's the wear and tear, the thing that fell off from here, which is part of this. The hat, nothing, the hat really. The hat does come off. The head does not split into two pieces, so the head is one piece. This is into two pieces. Down here below, you guys are gonna see the wire. We have it hooked up here. It isn't that long, so it's this length, so it's pretty short, but I find that's okay because right now we're gonna plug in some Christmas lights here anyways. So weather wise, during winter it's done okay when it's too windy. Again, that's why we tie it to the tree. I do want to move it over this year, but I don't think I can, just because it needs to be tied down to something. So as you guys can see on the side, it looks not so round, but from the front it's pretty nice. So it does look pretty round from the front. But anyways, would I recommend this? Yeah, it's a really nice thing. We're gonna get the rest of the collection so you guys can see it, and right now here's a shot of how it looks at nighttime.